I don't know where to start, but since I'm here in front, please allow me to share my experiences throughout my journey. Okay, so when I was young, my parents taught me how to become independent. Like, grabe jud kayo ang life experiences na akong nagian before achieving of what I am now and become to be. My childhood goes like this. Mag-farming whole day, bisag init kayo. Manguha og kumpay para pakaon sa baka. Manglaog og baboy, manok ug uban pa. Kay through this work man good maka-help siya financially, even though dugay and makakaon ra sad me 3 times a day. Yes, who would know ngayon ani akong life nga magian sa province? Knowing that with this age, playing is inevitable. But due to work that my parents let me do, I missed those chances of my childhood life experiences. Sometimes, makailan ko sa akong self nga, naanak na lang sa unta ko sa akong silingan, no? Naanak na lang sa unta ko dato or nadato na lang unta may para hayahay ang buhay. I even questioned God about my existence and what's His purpose for giving me a hard life. But then, I cannot change the fact that this is my life. The reality that I will be facing through. Maybe He has plans for me to grow and experience what life really is. So, nilaban lang ihapon ko sa kinabuhi despite of my questionable life. Padayon sa pag-eskwela, handod sa nag-high school o nag-senior high school ko. Proud, consistent honor pa. Sorry for this mindset of mine. Though sa kalisod sa kinabuhi no, I stayed by your side and loves you along the way. This time, mag-college na ang feeling Disney princess. Since duha man ni ang mag-college, ang plan sa akong kuya kay, more sa siya para ako ang una nga mapa-eskwela. In silence, I did not agree about his plans. Kay need sa siya mo eskwela for his future. And I don't want him to be late for it. Naningkamot sa duga kuha para lagi maka-eskwela may duha. Og dungan sa mo lampos. So first school na akong givisit to enroll was CNU. I wasn't aware na earlier di ayang ilang registration for entrance exam and they asked me to wait for I think 3 months kay if damay ra ang makapasar, I have chances pa to take the exam and pass them. Or maybe late na jud ko niyadto. Next school was CTU. Since the registration was online, ning try na sad ko but then malas jud siguro ko that time kay na-close naman as in that day jud. So I said to myself, maybe there is a school where I am meant to be. As in naningkamot jud kog pangita og asa na school. So private na lang jud akong chances kawa na may lain choice. I even tried UC Banilan since doon ra siya sa giabangan sa akong one of my closest brother. I have applied for academic scholar for lesser tuition fee o sa dihang mag-need man dahil sila og certificate proving that I was an honor student in senior high school. So wala kay I don't have the certificate man with me and layo kayo og mouli pa ko sa province. UC Maine was next. This time, gikuyugan ko sa akong ate so ni-inquire na sad ko for academic scholar. Same ra gihapon ang gipangita nga with certificate. I even asked for some sports scholarship kay sporty man sad ko nga pagka-person. Sad to say, wala pa sila ning accept og another scholar for the specific sport. So, I failed that time. I felt down and think, maybe this is not my time to go schooling, but how about my future? I felt ashamed to myself and to the people rooting for me, especially my family. So life goes on. The other day, The other day, my sister contacted me to try the school. It was St. Paul that time and now become UCPT. So para kada gihapon ko sa UC. So I did. Ning adto dayon ko sa St. Paul which is UC right now. And thankful sad ko sa akong sister sa iyang pag-uban kay wa na jud ko kasabot og mopadayon pa ba ko. Plus wa pa jud ko katultulog asa nadapita. I have inquired the College of Teacher Education Department to apply academic scholarship, but still they are the same with the previous school. They were looking for certificates, graduate with honor, and so I asked for another scholarship. Mr. Bentley Formoso, our previous former dean, introduced me to the working scholar. So I grabbed the opportunity just to enroll ahead of time and taking elementary education course and officially become a working student. And also, akong giingan akong magulang, basing ganahan sad ka mag-working, and so he grabbed that. Working student may duha. I was assigned at the guidance office, and I felt the vibe there was different. It's heavy. Kay madita man ang counselor before. Stricta o what should ko kasabot po niya. I can still remember nga nakasaban ko sa usa sa akong mga instructor due to late kay dili man ko makalakaw sa guidance office if dili pa ko mahuman sa akong work. He said it's not your obligations. When it's time for your classes, just leave your office works since they are aware of your class schedule. So that time, when he uttered those words, I'm holding back my tears and saying no words. Mga bitaw na sakto-sakto na ang akong grades pag first year because it's hard to adjust from my works and my classes. I plan to quit, yes. I really plan to quit because I was tired and exhausted. But there's some part of me na ilaban pa din nato, kaya ra lagi. So I fought for more and God is good. He still gave me the courage to not lose hope in my battle despite of questioning His plans. So I was thankful for the resignation of the guidance counselor. And nakailan ako ang mga bagong guidance staff which is approachable and kind-hearted. Magasinabot coming on. So, next, I was assigned to criminology department and I can say God favored me this time because He surrounded me to the good people and peaceful work environment. But since daghan kayong room sa crim department and there's one room na creepy kayo, I was tired all time and a bit of scared kay ako ra isang working nga manglimpyo which is duha unta dapat. Second year, second sem, my brother resigned as a working student and worked outside. So I did follow when I was third year. I tried to out with my comfort zone, which is I am tired of. I have applied one of the famous fast food chain, and gladly say, I was hired and working until now. Bahala ako sa lawas, I will still fight for my future. Kaya if I don't have work, where should I get my allowances? School expenses and tuition fees. Sometimes I really have nothing but coins inside my wallet. But still I'm making myself stronger even more until reaching fourth year and OGTs because I have my family and friends at my side that is willing to listen at my darkest time. To Ate Green, Ate Makwa, and Ate Tuso. Thank you so much for being with me when I have nothing. Thank you for all the treat and sa willingness nga magpahulap og money. In case wa pa ko'y budget and na I chew nga payment. Thank you, Ate, all of you. Thank you, Ate. Thank you, Ate Olivia, sa trust and for giving me extra strength. To my sister with me right now, thank you kayo manang sa pag-ask itakapag ako'y niya. Tunulan dayon ko ni mo 500 pang meeting because you know nga, gamay na sa kong salary sa Jollibee kayo focus ko sa akong time sa practice teaching. Salamat sa pagsuporta o sa tanan. To my brother, thank you for the support and giving me allowance during my OJT. I am so happy to have you at my side. Mahuman na jutang to have together. To my parents, Ma, Pa, thank you so much for the support and trust. Thank you for the guidance since young. Though you were at the province, I can still feel your love and support throughout my journey. To Dr. J.P. Arno Press, thank you, Doc, for planning this rare event and for everything. Without you, maybe we cannot experience such momentous event that happens once in our lifetime. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my experiences. And to all teachers at the College of Teacher Education, thank you for seeing us and for teaching us. Lastly, to my batchmates, thank you guys sa inyong 4 years o sa akong 5 years na experience sa Paswila. You all treat me so well. Finally, makagraduate na jud ta. Yet, today is my day. Thank you so much for the greetings to my special day. I love you all and thank you for hearing my life story. Now, let me close this chapter with a happy heart and enjoy the rest of the day.